Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, yes, I went to Primark and I got myself a few little goodies. Now, I didn't get a lot because I wasn't really keen. I don't think there was much new stuff. But the only thing that I did get was some new autumn lipsticks because, you know, we are now transitioning from summer to autumn. And I thought these colours would be really fab for you guys to check out. And for the price that they are really good. I'm actually wearing a matte nude lipstick from Primark and it is one of my favourite lipsticks that I love to wear. So if you want to find out what shades I got, what other little stuff goodies I bought, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. Go and grab a cuppa, get yourself, and let's get into the video. Okay, so here is this big bag of stuff. Now it's a big bag because the hubby bought a coat and we just shoved everything in the one bag. I didn't get that much stuff. I think I about 30 quid. Yeah, about £35 though. Okay, so let's start off with, needed some more headbands because I kind of like the look, you know, pushing my hair back and when I'm doing my makeup and my skincare routine. So I went for this little headband here and it's from the natural section. So it's made with cotton and it's vegan. And this was only £1. So it's like, what is it, like a waffle? That's what I'm like, a waffle feel there. So that was my first headband. Then I grabbed this one and this is just a hair wrap. It's like a big thick headband which I thought was really cute because it's going to hold the hair completely away from my face when I'm applying makeup or when I'm doing a facial, and that was £1.50 as well, so I thought that was really cute. And then I had to get it because she's obsessed, so I got Penny a new eye mask because she sleeps with eye masks. Yes, my daughter is a diva and she's been wearing a face mask since she was 3 years old. Yeah, I found her one day with a headband on her eyes and we were like, what are you doing? She goes, I need to sleep. I can't sleep because the light's on, but she can't sleep in the dark. So from 3 years old, she's now 6. She's been wearing an eye mask and I had to get her this because it was really cute. And she's really liking the gel masks at the minute. Don't ask. Yes, she is a diva and a half. And you will see Penny regularly on the channel and you can see her latest fashion haul, what she got for her birthday. I'll leave the video here so you guys can check out what I have to deal with every single day. Okay, so that's the headband stuff. Now we're moving on to the makeup stuff. So, oh, and also before we move on to makeup, I went and got myself one of these. So this is it's an overnight sleep mask with organic coconut water and Australia cacao plum, and it's naturally moisturizes and refreshes tired skin, and it's for all skin types. I actually like the packaging. I thought that was really cute, the way, you know, you can use it, and the fact that it's 95% natural origin and it's vegan. See what I mean? She's a diva. She has no filter. She just, when she wants something, she has to demand. Can you close the door, please? Seriously, she's been stressing me out the last few days. But anyway, I love her to bits, but kids, hey. So yeah, going back to this, it's an overnight mask, so that means that you can sleep in it, which I hope can, because that's what I like to do. I do actually like to sleep in my mask because you get that nice full nourishment of your skin, and then you wake up, wash it all off, and your skin feels really nice. And so that was £2, and yeah, I'm gonna give that a try because, you know, I haven't got enough face masks in my drawer. So moving on to the makeup part, I went for the Demi Matte liquid lipstick in the Rose Edit. I thought this packaging was really cute, so you can get it in the nude, pinks, the red, but I like the rose because I thought that's a nice autumn colour. Okay, and there's 4 lipsticks in there. Am I gonna have to... Oh God, they're arguing now. She's arguing with her brothers now because there's no ice lollies. It's her who's been eating most of the ice lollies anyway. So yeah, anyway. Okay, so I can't get into that at the minute, but you can see there's 4 different shades right there. Okay. Then next up, I went for this, which it looks new. I haven't seen this in Primark before, and it's £3.50, and it's the colour grid, and it's the colour grid eyeshadow, and I went for the pink. So Rose Blush, Miss Mauve, Mulberry, and Black Cherry. So each line has got different names. So that's quite cute. I like that. Nice and autumn, you know me with my... Okay, this isn't new. Ooh, this isn't new, but I just wanted to get my hands on it because I thought it was really cute. So this is the eyeshadow in peach, the peachy eyeshadow palette, and I just like the look of it. It reminds me of Lego, so I got it. I didn't like the yellow. Wasn't really keen on the yellow packaging, but I did like this one. So okay, so it's like a rubber case. And then there's the shades in there. Hubby told me to get it. It goes there with nice colours, so I got it. No convincing me either. So yep, those are nice. I think they're more summery colours, but you could get some kind of autumn colours in there as well. So yeah, that's that. And then I got myself this really cute makeup bag because I haven't got enough, and that was £3. Oh, that palette was £5 by the way. So this was £5. This was £3, and I thought that was really cute. I really like it to do some flat lays, more for my Instagram. So I'm trying to get more into that, but it's a nice size makeup bag. I thought it was really cute, and it just said love yourself and some makeup on the front. Okay, then I went for this, which I haven't seen before, but you know me with bronzer. It's called the Bronze Wit, and it was £4, and it's got a velvet finish and cream bronzer. Should we give it a little open up and see what it's like inside? Oh wow, so that's what it looks like inside. Oh god, it is creamy. So, oh god, I think that's gonna be a bit too orangey for me. So that's what that looks like, but it looks really cute. And give that a try and see what I think of that. Yeah, I think there was only one shade of bronzer. Didn't see any other colours there. So yeah, that's a nice creamy bronzer. That's give you a bit of extra hydration on the face as well. Then I went in for, these were so cute, and for 90 you can't really go wrong. So I got some single eyeshadows, and this is in, a metallic eyeshadow in the shade Spotlight. The last time I bought a palette from Primark, somebody's fingers have been all over it. Got a nice highlighting shade, so there, and I have got it there as well. So for 90p you can't go wrong. That's what that one looks like. Then I went for burnished copper. I thought that was a nice autumn colour as well. I'm gonna ruin my nails, I mean just have them done. For 90p I'm sure we can work something out. So that's what that shade looks like. And then I went for black cherry, which is a nice another autumn colour. It's a metallic. Is that metallic? Yeah. So this one's a matte. And then I went for 2 metallics as well, which is that one and the silver one. So they were all 90p each. I think they're new because I've never seen them before. But it has been a while since I've been to Primark. So moving on, I decided to get some new lipsticks because, you know, I don't have enough. Okay, so we've gone in for some nice wintry lipstick. Let's see if we can open these now. Nice and easy. Let me just clean my hands, and then we can do a couple of swatches as well of the lipstick, so you guys can see the colours and then go and check out and try out whatever you guys fancy getting. Can never have enough lipstick. Okay, so let's start off with the matte, the lipstick. So this is in Luster. So I think they're like a nice shimmery, nice soft. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 6 lipsticks. One's a matte and the rest are Luster. And we're gonna go in with the first shade, which is Lava. Oh, I thought it would have been more of the red that was on the pack, but oh, that's nice. That's a gorgeous red. It's a lovely winter colour. So like that. Now all these are 90p. Now you can't go wrong for 90p. Let me just smell. Yes, they've got that smell. I love it. I absolutely love the smell. They've got a really nice. Okay, the next one is Bombshell. Oh, that's nice. That's like a pinky red. Okay, like that. Then the next one is High Society. Did like the look of this one. So this is the burgundy one. Oh, I've got a nice lip liner that will go with that. That's gorgeous. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with Skin on Skin. So this is your nude. That's a nice one. That's a nice warm nude for the winter. Okay, then we've got All Out. Ooh, I like this one. Will I dare to wear it though? So it's like a nice purple colour. That's really nice. Oh, I love the smell of them. And then we've got a matte, which is in Naked Flame. Gotta have a matte, haven't we? There wasn't many mattes, I don't think. And then that's Naked Flame. So those are the colours that I went for because I think these are the new ones. I've got quite a few of those, so that's what they look like and personal. Okay, so they're the lipstick. Loving them. And yeah, that's it. That's all I got from Primark. I obviously went for a few of the, you know, the new stuff that we went for. Mainly lips, I think. Shall I open this for you guys so you guys can see? So this is the palette. Why do I struggle to open these palettes? Get to break my nails. Not break, well, yeah, break them because they're all mine, but I don't want the acrylic to come off. The acrylic, the gel. So, okay, so it's got matte, demi, metallic. So it tells you what they are. Colours there. That's very light. I just, yeah, we'll have to, that's the rose blush. I'll have to give these a try and see, but that's that. But yeah, that's it guys. That's all I got from Primark today. We are focusing mainly on the lips, getting ready for the autumn winter colours. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you already haven't, and I'll see you all on my next video. Bye.